Did you know that true Thai food isn't sweet? Then you probably ask, how come all Thai food from restaurants and takeouts tastes very sweet? That's because when it comes to cooking Thai food here, the people in the Thai food industry go by two standards. One is to cook to serve you, and two is to cook for their own families. Somehow they think you like it sweet, so they have decided to put in a lot of sugar in every dish they make for you. This is why it's just so sweet, which is not good. However, they will never ever cook this way when they eat at home with their families. So this is where From Krapow to Keemao book comes in, because you can cook Thai food the healthy way, the Thai way, the way it should be. If you want to give the extreme sugar overload due to consuming puddkeemao, puddkeprow, puddsee-ew, and many more dishes from Thai takeouts and restaurants a rest, give this book, From Krapow to Keemao and recipes in between, a chance to lower your sugar intake. With this guide, you'll be cooking Thai food like a Thai at home, in the US, and wherever you are in the world.